people of the internet, welcome to my channel. I wanted to avoid making a very long section to introduce myself at the beginning of my first video, so I decided instead I would do a separate video where I tell you a little bit about myself and what this channel is going to be, and yeah, that's it really. My name is Elena. I originally come from Spain, but I currently live in England. I've been in London for over 8 years now.
Could you imagine?
And in the last few years, I've become increasingly interested in making things myself instead of buying things that are cheap but of lesser quality or ridiculously expensive that I can't afford because I'm poor. These things include clothes, of course, but are not limited to that. I've recently made my own face moisturizer, which I'm really happy about, I have to say. Much better than the stuff that I was purchasing in shops, and I know what's in it. I've also been obsessively watching sewing videos and becoming so inspired to actually make my own stuff. And you know, if I taught myself how to crochet, I can teach myself how to sew. I mean, how hard can it be? Very hard. This channel therefore is going to include some of my created projects in different areas, and today, since I don't want this video to be just me talking, I want to walk you through some of the things that I've already made and also explain a little bit about my style and why I want to start making my own clothes. Coffee. My custom face moisturizer. Oh, that's a lot. That's a lot. Yeah, so that's how it looks like. It's pretty smooth. I'll just put it all in my hands, I guess. Wow, I should make a hand one too. Yes. And I will definitely do a video in the future showing how I mix it. Coffee break. My most recent project, even though I started it 4 years ago, which is why I'm not going to include it in this channel. And this is it. It's a scarf. And this is crochet. To illustrate a little bit what style I'm going for or I'm looking to expand on, I will insert some pictures in the screen somewhere. As you can see, there is some tartan, there is a lot of red, because there is never enough red. My style is wildly different in summer and in winter. My summer style is basically put as much skin as possible out because sun. Now you'd be wondering why on earth I live in England. I ask myself this sometimes. I'm not gonna lie. Now you might not know this, but we have long winters over here. And this you might really not expect, because the majority of people only ever see the south of Spain, and I am from the north. From the mountains to boot, which means summers last for 2 months, and that's it. And because of this, let's just say that my winter wardrobe is of utmost importance to me. That sounded so posh. Wow. Okay. So this style is a little bit kind of retro, vintage, witchy, a lot witchy. I like that. I like that a lot. And here is the point where I explain why I look like this today. So this dress is actually fast fashion, but I really like it. It's one of my favorite items of clothing at the moment. I bought it several years ago, I can't remember where. And actually, funny story, I wore it once with this hairstyle kind of by accident, and somebody on the bus I was on. Yeah, you know, those times when we were taking buses and going places. I miss the good old times, you know. So there was this couple on the bus and they started talking in Spanish, funnily enough. They were talking quite loudly because they were speaking Spanish and they thought I would not understand. And they were saying that I looked like Wednesday Addams. And I was just so... I do. And I'm not mad at it. So I've decided to own it, and often I would wear this dress with this kind of hairstyle. So do I look Wednesday enough? What do you think? So I'm going to show you this dress properly since I'm at it and it's on my body right now. And then I'll show you some of my other favorite items of clothing and explain a little bit why I like them. Coffee. This is the dress. I should probably remove my stay-at-home comfiness before I do this. Okay, wait. I like to be comfortable when I'm at home, okay? So yeah, you can probably imagine why people think I look like Wednesday Addams with this. It's a look. I'm saying it. It's a look. And I own it till the day I die. I really like this. I think it's awesome. And if people think it's weird, I don't care. I'm not going to a Halloween party. I'm not. No. This is what I like to wear. Okay, enough of the nonsense. I am going to show you some more stuff. I am back in my original position. I'm really sorry for the kind of like chaos that this video has been. I really hope you got a little bit of an idea of what I'm trying to do with this channel. And now to end this walk around my current possessions, I want to talk about shoes. These are the boots that I was wearing in the pictures that I showed you before. It's kind of like steampunk Victorian style-ish, I don't know, but it's kind of like a take on this kind of style from around that era, which is so beautiful, by the way. The next time I have money, I'm going to buy something from American Duchess, mind my words. And then we have this absolute dream of shoe. It's also modern, but we need to appreciate this detail and the whole, oh my god, look at this beauty. This is it for this introduction to who I am and what I'm going to do. Go ahead, join the craziness and subscribe. And I'll see you back here with my next project. Bye!